dog songs. I should write that. I have songs about every other thing. I have 15 songs about birds for some reason. I don't know. But here's one now. This is really more of a song about Key West. But yeah, I wrote this with Keith from the band Trick Pony, if y'all remember that band. But we were both talking about being in Key West and how, first of all, it can kind of erase your mind a little bit, and then but also you feel like home or something, like you feel drawn to this place. You feel like this is where I'm supposed to be right now. Anyway, that's where we came up with this one. It's called Why Do Birds Fly South? There's a calm out on the ocean. It's quiet on the sea. The moon shows no emotion. Wish I could say the same for me. 'Cause I'm sitting here in Key West, not really sure how it got to this, but there's nothing better than this weather to smooth over some ruffled feathers. Why do birds fly south? I think I know now. Why do birds fly south? I think I know now. When things get bad in North Dakota, everything can turn to ice. So I flew right through Minnesota. I was pulled toward paradise. So I was sitting here in Key West, and I'm starting to see how it got to this. 'Cause this sunny, rum running, bartender wants to keep 'em coming. Why do birds fly south? I think I know now. Why do birds fly south? I think I know now. When wherever you are gets more than you can stand, this is a mighty fine place for you to land. Why do birds fly south? I think I know now. Why do birds fly south? I think I know now. Thank you. I really love that song, but now that I have thought about it, I feel very bad. I feel like a speciesist. I've written too many bird songs and not enough dog songs. Literally zero marmot songs. I don't have one ferret song.